Welcome back to the C21 Atwood update. On this week's episode, a recap of the Children's Playhouse giveaway and exciting news from C21 headquarters.
And we'll go over some of the great events happening around our incredible community. Let's move.
As you know, last month was our biggest giveaway yet, and it all started in the St. Peter 4th of July parade.
On our float was an adorable children's playhouse, which we decided to give away as a prize.
So as we normally do, all of your likes, comments, and shares entered you for a chance to win that playhouse, but we had no idea how big this would get.
Now, usually our episodes garner a few thousand views and a couple dozen or so likes, comments, and shares, which is great.
Yeah, but this giveaway turned out big. We had more than 40,000 views and more than 2,500 entries to win.
Throughout the month of July, our episodes and giveaway reached and engaged more than 120,000 people.
While these numbers are incredible and we loved seeing the comments and shares and photos people were posting for us of them at the St. Peter Parade watching us, what's really so cool and so exciting is what's coming next, the actual giveaway of the Playhouse.
Yes, so this is something you're not going to want to miss. Be sure to tune in next week as we give away that children's playhouse to Courtney Stoll and her family.
That's going to be just incredible seeing the look on their faces, so exciting. In other very exciting news, big congratulations to C21 headquarters.
Yes, as you've probably seen, C21 has undergone a transformative rebranding project this year.
This rebranding really takes the company in a new direction, and it's being recognized throughout the industry. C21 is the 2018 Innovator of the Year for Most Innovative Marketing Program for its rebranding.
So congratulations to C21 headquarters, and you'll be able to see more implementations of that rebranding throughout the year.
As always, our vibrant community is always full of fun events. Here's what's coming up in the month of August.
Here are the local events for the Mankato, Minnesota area. Mankato's 21st Annual Rip Fest at the Vetterstone Amphitheater, August 2nd through the 5th. It's live music with Amy Manette Band at Pub 500, Sunday, August 5th, starting at 11 a.m. Picnic in the Park with a local talent variety show at Dave's River Valley Harley-Davidson, Wednesday, August 8th at 6 p.m. It's Big Head Todd and the Monsters at the Vetterstone Amphitheater, Thursday, August 9th, starting at 6:30 p.m. Live music with Riverbend Dutchman at the Wow Zone, Friday, August 10th, starting at 6 p.m. Le Sueur Blue Earth County's Breakfast on the Farm at Gunsel Family Farms, Saturday, August 11th, starting at 7 a.m. It's family kayaking at the New Nature Center, Saturday, August 18th, starting at 10 a.m. You can fly in and drive in for breakfast at the Mankato Airport, Sunday, August 19th, starting at 7:30 a.m. It's the Craft and Vendor Fair at the River Hills Mall, Friday, August 24th. Hairball will be performing at the Vetterstone Amphitheater, Saturday, August 25th at 7 p.m.
Well, that's all for this week's episode. Our monthly giveaway this month is a bowling party at the Wow Zone in Mankato, one of my kids' favorite places to eat and play. It's 2 lanes for 8 to 12 people, and it comes with a party table and a host, and includes bowling equipment and rental, and so that's our big giveaway this month. Be sure to like, comment, and share our videos each week this month.
Of course, whether you're considering selling your home or just starting your search for something new to purchase, we have just the people to help you out. Give us a call and we'll be glad to hook you up with one of our relentless agents.
And if you're a relentless, go-getter, 121% giving real estate professional, or just considering a career in real estate, we would love to visit with you. Send us an email at careers@c21atwood.com.
We'll see you next week.
Thanks.